morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, great. Students, today is 5th of August and it's Wednesday. As you all know that chapter 6, the selfish giant, is going on. Okay students, so today we are going to do one different thing. Okay, one new topic, and its lesson objective is to apply knowledge of one word substitution. It means today we are going to do one word substitution. Okay everyone, so before starting this topic, I would like to start this topic with a game, you can say, or with some exercise, you can say. Okay, so let's start. You should be get ready with your notebooks, dictionary, it should be in your hand, and notebooks, pencil and eraser. Okay everyone, hurry up, let's start. Now see students, here I have written some group of words and you have to tell me one word for them. Okay, so first is an activity that engages in for fun. An activity that engages in for fun. So you have to guess the name of the thing. It's an activity that engages you for fun. Can anyone tell what's the name of that activity? Yes, very good. It's games. What is that? It's games. So this is your one word substitution. When we replace group of words with one word, this is called one word substitution. Okay, so that is games. Next is a written or printed work consisting of pages glued or sewn together along one side and bound in covers. Students, the examples which I am discussing with you, answers will be related to the things, maybe the things which are around you. Okay, maybe the things which is in your bag. So hurry up, tell me fast. A written or printed work. Tell me the name of that thing. The written or printed work consisting of pages glued or sewn together along one side and bound in covers. Can you tell me what is that? Very good. It is your book, because it is having written or printed book. Okay, and consisting of pages glued or sewn together and bound in cover. So it's your book. Okay, next is a mechanical or electrical device for measuring time. A mechanical or electric device for measuring time. What is that? It helps you in measuring time. Very good. It can be your watch, or you can say it can be your clock. Both answers are right. Is it clear everyone? Now the fourth sentence is food made of flour, water and yeast mixed together and baked. Now think about one word for this many group of words. Food made of food made of flour, water and yeast mixed together and baked. Yes, this is your bread. What is that? Bread. Okay. Now the fifth one is colorless, transparent, odorless liquid that forms the seas, lakes, rivers. Can you guess the name of that one word substitution word? Hurry up. Colorless, transparent, odorless liquid that forms the seas, lakes and rivers. Yes, it's your water. What is that? Water. This is the official home of a king. The official home of a king is palace. What is that called? Palace. Okay. Next is a bunch of flowers that is arranged in an attractive way. Now think one word for this group of words. A bunch of flowers that is arranged in an attractive way. What is that? Can you guess? Yes, it's bouquet. So what's the spelling? B-O-U reading a piece of music with words that you sing. Now hurry up, think one word substitution for these group of words. A piece of music with words that you sing. Yes, that is your song. What is that? Song. Clear everyone? Sentence is a small bed for a baby. Hurry up, think one word for this sentence. A small bed for a baby. Very good. It's a cradle. CRADLE. Very good. Now the last one is a warm piece of clothing with long sleeves, often made of wool. A warm piece of clothing with long sleeves, often made of wool. What is that? It's very simple. Yes, it's a sweater. SWEATER. Okay everyone? I hope you have understood this. Okay. Now let's start. Let's try 4. So take out your book, students. Hurry up everyone. Let's try 4. We are starting. Match the given phrases with their one word substitution. See students, there are group of words and in this side they have written one word substitution. Now you have to read these phrases and then you have to match these phrases with this one word substitution. You can use your dictionary. Okay. So let's start. First one is to get something in return of payment. To get something in return of payment. Now the options are delete, livelihood, origin, buy, invent. What can be it? To get something in return of payment. Yes, it's your buy. We will match this first one with D and the answer is buy. Next is create or design a new device or process. Create or design a new device or process. What is that? Delete, livelihood, origin, or buy we have already matched. And the last one is invent. What it will be? Create or design a new device or process. Yes, that means invent. We will match this one with your E part, invent. A point where something begins. A point where something begins. That means, hurry up, tell me fast. Yes, answer is given in front of this phrase. Its answer is C. So you have to match here. Next is remove or cross out written or printed. If you are removing something or crossing out something, which one is written or printed? That means very good, delete. So we will match this one with your A part, delete. Next is a mean of earning enough money to live on. A means of earning enough money to live on, and that is your livelihood. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. Now I am moving on my next question, that is your let's try 5. It's time to be a word detective. Read the following sentences and replace the words in bold with simple continuous form of the word from the box. Then write the simple present tense verb of the substituted word. One has been done for you. Now see, I am explaining you what is given in the first part, then easily you will do that the remaining parts. See, in first one sentence is there. When Ram reaches the school, he sees a crowd of people gathering and speaking very quietly to each other. Now what you have to do, in first fill-up you have to write the meaning of this black bold letter words. You have to write the meaning of this word here, and it should be in continuous form. That means there should be ing. Okay, and then same word you have to write here in simple present tense. Means in this part you have to write verb first form, because in simple present tense we use first form. So here you have to write first form, but in this part you have to use ing. Okay, you have to use ing, and already options are there, so no need to think extra, you just think about the meaning of that phrase, then write here from that options, and here you have to write the first form of that word. Okay everyone, like speaking very quietly means whispering. So here I have written whispering using ing, that means continuous form. And now here I have to write simple present, so I will write whisper here. Okay, now I'm starting the second sentence. Let's start. Shama is hungry, so she walking quietly on her toes to the kitchen. Now you have to think about the one word substitution of this group of words. Walking quietly on her toes. Very good. That means tiptoeing. Okay. So here we will write tiptoeing, and you can see that in tiptoeing ing is there. That means this is your simple continuous form. So here I will write tiptoeing, and now in simple present tense what I will write? Very good. Tiptoe. T-I-P tip, T-O-E toe. Tiptoe. Okay. Now the third one is, it is so cold that she pulls her quilt and it's moving into a warm and comfortable position in her bed. Now see, these are the phrases, group of words. Now you have to think one word from that. What do you mean by moving into a warm and comfortable position? What will be the answer from this box? Can anyone guess? Yes, it's snuggling. Snuggling means if you are moving into a warm and comfortable position. So here we will write snuggling. Okay, so you can see ing is there. That means this is your continuous form, snuggling. Now here you have to write simple present tense. So what you will write here? Snuggle. S-N-U-G-G-L-E. Snuggle. Okay. Next is, the giant is going to see and spend time with his friend. Now, what do you mean by this? Going to see and spend time. Yes, that means visiting. That means visiting. So we will write here visiting, and simple present tense visit. Now the E part is, the children are moving aimlessly in the giant's garden. Moving aimlessly, that means roaming. Moving aimlessly means roaming. So here we will write roaming, and simple present tense roam. R-O-A-M, roam. Next is, the selfish giant is screaming at the children. Screaming means shouting. So here we will write shouting, and simple present tense will be shout. S-H-O-U-T, shout. Now clear to all? Okay, then very good. Write it carefully, students. Already spellings are there, so there should be no mistake. Please write your spellings very carefully. And in simple present tense you have to omit this ing, and then you have to write verb first form here. Okay, very good students. Students, in PB, word power, one word substitution. When we replace group of words with one word, we call it one word substitution. For example, moving with a light, irregular or trembling motion can be replaced with the word fluttering. Means you can replace this group of words with that one word only. Fluttering means same. Fluttering meaning is moving with a light, irregular or trembling motion. So in one word you can say fluttering. So this is your one word substitution. Clear students? We can replace the group of words with one word, and this is called one word substitution. So the answer of this is fluttering. Okay. Now students, my turn 1. This is your homework. Okay. You have to do in PB. Now let's read what is given in this question. Read the sentences in column A. So first we will read the sentences in column A. Find a one word substitution in column B. In column B, one word substitution is given. Okay. To replace the highlighted group of words in column A. So you have to see, you can see that there are some highlighted words. You have to replace this highlighted words with the column B words. Okay, you have to match them. Clear everyone? You have to match them, and one has been done for you. So see students, in column A, I live with my mother and father. You can see this is in red color. This is your what? This is the group of words are there. Now you have to replace this group of words with one word. So mother and father, that means parents. So parent is your one word substitution for mother and father. So you have to students read the sentences, and you will see there are some words which are given in red color. You have to replace these words with the one word substitution which is given in your column B. Got it everyone? Now we are reading the second part, second sentence. First they have done for you already. I live with my mother and father, that means parents. Okay, you have to match it. Okay, now I am reading the second sentence. My father will come back on Sunday. My father will come back on Sunday. What words are there in column B? Let's read. Return, scream, quietly, parents, neighbors. Again I am reading. Return, scream, quietly, parents and neighbors. Okay, now you have to search the one word for come back. This group of word come back is there, and now you have to match the one word substitution with come back, which is made for this comeback word. Okay, next is the people who live next door are very nice. Now the red color group of words are people who live next door. People who live next door. Now you have to search what they call people who live next door. Answer is in this column B. You have to search one word substitution for this group of word. Okay, next is I heard a loud sharp cry at night. I heard a loud sharp cry at night. Now you have to search. Okay, again you have to search in column B, which is having the meaning loud sharp cry. Okay, next is my grandfather left for his walk without making any noise. My grandfather left for his walk without making any noise. Okay, again I'm reading. The words are return, scream, quietly, parents, neighbors. Okay, you have to read the words which are given in red color. Okay everyone, and now you have to replace these highlighted group of words, okay everyone, with the words which are given in column B. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. You have to do this question in PB only. Okay, you have to do this question in PB. You have to match the answers. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Very good. Now students, it's homework time. What you have to do, you have to do my turn 1 in your PB, and you know that my turn 1 is related to your one word substitution. So read carefully all the sentences, then you have to fill your answers. Okay students, if you have any doubt you can message me, and today positively you have to send your homework. Is it clear to all? Today positively you have to send your homework. Clear everybody? Thank you and have a nice day.